Have you ever watched someone breeze through airport security while you're stuck taking everything out of your bag? Most travelers lose 5 to 10 minutes at every TSA checkpoint. Not because the line is long, but because they make the same small mistakes over and over. Today I'm sharing the TSA tricks experienced travelers use that most people never think about. These aren't the obvious tips like arriving early or checking in online. These are the little things that make the biggest difference. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Build your bin before you reach the scanner. Most people wait until they're standing at the conveyor belt before emptying their pockets. That's exactly where the line slows down. Instead, as you're waiting in line, remove your watch if needed. Empty your pockets. Put your wallet inside your backpack. Remove your phone. Take off your belt only if necessary. By the time you reach the bins, everything should already be ready. Experienced travelers spend less than 15 seconds at the conveyor. Tip number 2. Put your liquids bag on top. This is one almost everyone gets wrong. If you're using a standard screening lane, don't bury your liquids underneath clothes. Place your quart-size liquids bag right on top of everything else inside your carry-on. If TSA asks you to remove it, you'll grab it in 2 seconds instead of digging through your suitcase. Remember, the 311 rule still applies at most checkpoints, even though some airports with newer CT scanners allow approved items to stay inside your bag. Always follow the instructions for your specific lane. Tip 3. Know the laptop rule before you get there. One of the biggest reasons people hold up the line is confusion over electronics. Older X-ray lanes usually require laptops to come out. Many newer CT scanners allow laptops to stay inside your bag. The trick? Look around. There are usually signs telling you exactly what to do. If you're unsure, ask the TSA officer before reaching the scanner. Following the lane's instructions keeps everyone moving faster. Tip number 4. Wear security-friendly clothing. Avoid wearing giant belt buckles, excessive jewelry, jackets with overloaded pockets. Bulky clothing often requires extra screening. Simple clothing means fewer delays. Even though most travelers can now keep their shoes on, TSA officers may still ask for additional screening if something triggers an alarm. Tip number 5. Pack electronics together. Travelers often scatter chargers, battery packs, tablets, cameras throughout their bag. Instead, keep all electronics inside one organizer. If TSA wants to inspect something, you won't have your entire backpack emptied onto the inspection table. Tip number 6. Keep your boarding pass and ID ready. You've seen it. Someone reaches the front, then starts searching every pocket for their ID. While you're waiting in line, have both ready before you reach the podium. Those few seconds add up quickly across hundreds of passengers every hour. Tip number 7. Know which lane you're entering. This is one experienced travelers love. Not every TSA lane uses the same technology. Some lanes require laptop out, liquids out. Others don't. Look for signs before joining a lane. Choosing the right lane can save several minutes and spare you from unpacking your carry-on unnecessarily. Tip number 8. Use one dedicated TSA pouch. Here's one of my favorite habits. Keep everything TSA related together. One pouch. Inside it, passport, ID, boarding pass, liquids bag if needed. When you arrive at security, you already know exactly where everything is. No digging, no stress. Bonus tip. if you travel more than 2 or 3 times each year. Consider TSA pre-check or global entry. Besides shorter lines, pre-check travelers generally keep their laptops, approved liquids, belts and light jackets in place during screening, depending on the lane. Many travel credit cards reimburse the application fee. Conclusion: airport security doesn't have to be stressful. Most delays aren't caused by TSA, they're caused by travelers who aren't prepared before they reach the checkpoint. Use these simple habits on your next trip, and you'll move through security faster while making the experience smoother for everyone behind you. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a journey. From all of us at Travel 360 Productions, safe travels.